Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So a noun is a person, place, thing, or time. In Gaeilge, a noun is an anamfocal, which basically means naming word. And the article is the word the in English. In Gaeilge, we refer to the article as an talt, and it is an, an for singular, and na for plural. Often gender can be assigned to nouns in a language. So for example, the car might be referred to as a female. She's a beauty. Now in English it's not really too prevalent, it's only done in an informal way. So take a look at French. Le tableau, the painting, is a feminine word. But le livre, the book, is a masculine word. And believe it or not, Gaeilge is much the same. There are masculine and feminine nouns. Firinshkinach means masculine and Baninshkinach means feminine. And how we determine whether a word is Firinshkinach or Baninshkinach is usually by how the word ends. Firinshkinach real iver a hain. So most jobs are masculine as they tend to end with O fada ior, O ior. Kjoltor, musician. E fada ior, E ior. Biker, baker. U fada ior, U ior. Doctor. EOIR Muntor. Firinshkinach real iver do. So single syllable words that end in EACHT, no ACHT. Kjacht, lesson, fucht, coldness. Firinshkinach real iver 3. Words ending in A fada N or I fada N. So Aran, bread. Colleen, girl, yes. Despite Colleen being girl, you might think it's feminine. In Irish, it's actually a masculine word because it ends with I fada N. Firinshkinach real iver a cahar. Words that end with STE. Poshta, child. Koshta, committee. Firinshkinach real iver a cuig. So a loan word is a word taken from another language and used. Most loan words are typically masculine. Vota, vote. Zoo, zoo. Telephone, telephone. Firinshkinach real iver she. A broad consonant is a word that has a gutta lahan, so a broad vowel, i.e. AOU, before the ending. These are typically masculine. Bail, mouth, it ends with AL. Far, man, ends with AR. Packade, packet, ends with AD. Buttoon, mistake, ends with U fada N. Curra, ends with ADH. Invitation. So, we've looked at how on means the, and when the on comes before a masculine noun, we use the following rules. So if that word starts with a consonant, there's no change. On far means the man. If it starts with a vowel, a gutta, A-E-I-O-U, we put in a T hyphen beforehand. So on Tehran, the bread. L, N, or, well, they don't take a shaving anyway, so there's no change. So on Roher means the bike. Now, DST, there's no change because of the dental rules. So we just say on Shuppa. Again, you don't have to add in a shaving. So now let's look at the Rilaka Lahai Anamfocal Baninshkinach. We're looking at feminine nouns. So, Baninshkinach, real iver a hain. Most place names are feminine as they tend to end with LANN or CHAN. Lowerlan, library. Pictolan, cinema. Auerklan, theatre. Atviocon, revival. Baninshkinach real iver a do. Multi-syllable words that end in I fada OCHT, AI fada OCHT, EACHT, or ACHT. Glushacht, movement. Bannacht, greeting. Filiacht, poetry. So we looked at how kjacht had one syllable, so that was masculine. However, glushacht, 2 syllables, it's Baninshkinach, feminine. Baninshkinach real iver 3. So words ending with EOG or O fada G. Bredog, bride. Fadog, whistle. they're feminine. And words ending with EACH or ACH. Bostock, wetness. Griasock, ember. Baninchganach river car. So most countries, languages and rivers are feminine. The exceptions are Sasana, England, Canada, America, Mexico, and Berda, the English language. Those 5 are masculine. Baninchganach real iver cuig. So a slender consonant is a word that has a gutta queel, so a slender vowel, i.e. I or e, before the ending. And these are typically feminine. Borul, kint, boggart, kaikish, bekil. So what do we do when the on comes before a feminine noun? So for B, C, F, G and M and P, we add in a shevu. So on inyog, we put in a shevu. For gutti, A, E, I, O, U, we don't change anything. So aniha, the night. For L, N, or D, T, there's no change. On ruhyacht, the cycle, because of the dental rules and because L, N, and R don't take a shevu. Now, S is a little bit different. We put a T before the word. So if we said the street, we'd say on Troid.
Agus Shinné.